Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I recently went to Ron Fellows Spring Mountain Track School out in Nevada. It's about an hour west of Las Vegas. And I got to drive a Z06 on the track for 2 days. Basically, it's a track driving school, so when you buy a new Stingray, E-Ray, or Z06, you get a really crazy deal to be able to go to that school. So I'm going to tell you guys more about it and then show you clips of me driving at the school with PDR, and then I also had a GoPro, so I'll show you that. What happens is when you buy a new C8, with the car you get a deal from GM. They basically subsidize a track driving school class for you. It's a 2-day class. So when you take delivery of the car, you get this invitation. I'll put up here kind of what it looks like. You also get it with your speed model, which comes in the mail later. I think a second invitation, but that's kind of how you're, invited to the course. Here's the website if you guys want to take a look at it, but basically that's the invitation. You get some other stuff with the car, like this here, which kind of talks about what the school is, who Ron Fellows is, stuff like that. And it talks about the driving program. So this is the deal I was talking about. They send you a letter, which basically invites you for a discounted rate of $1,000. Normally the class is almost $4 grand, so it is a steal at this price, and it is an insane school. I mean, I've been there twice now, once for my Stingray and then once for the Z06, and I would go every year if I could. Anyway, I'm gonna jump into the POV videos now. Just gonna show you some of the facility, some of the driving, and I'll put notes around the videos to tell you what's going on. But this is going to be a video about day 1, and then I'll make a second video about day 2, which is a little bit more track focused with some other activities.
Let's go ahead and start our run here. 35 miles an hour, maintain that speed. Simulated panic stop at those tall 2 orange cones. Beautifully done. Beautiful. Head back to the staging line. Let's go ahead and start our run. Beautiful. Head back to the staging line. Way better than the last time. Nice job.
Go ahead and start your run. Start scanning across left. Good. Okay, I like the rate of steering too. Beautiful. Hey Dave, you come on up now. Nice. Really, really good. Keep that going. Good rhythm. Scan to the right. I like to strong run. Get back rolling. All right, I see you there, Bob. Tim, hang tight on the right for me. Drop in behind my lead car. Bob, you can follow that Corvette in front of you. And then Tim, you're going to pull in behind the second blue car to go around you. And we can short shift back to third gear. All right. Remember, gentlemen, commit to the turning cones, commit to the apex cones. We can adjust everything else, but we need to perfect that line. I don't want to hear on the radio y'all are turning in from the wrong side of the track, okay? All right. Drive to your comfort level. We can upshift to fourth gear. Start scanning to the right for the apex here. And roll in. Initially. Third gear. Gradual release as you're turning in. You're going to push out wide because you got to the brakes progressively. Increase initial pressure. Decrease after. There you go. Better. Get there. Brake. Alright, we can talk about that one next lap. Second gear, be patient, let it coast. It's meant to feel slow. Can't dive in on the inside, doesn't work. I can pull a gap very easily since you dove in on the inside. I'm in fourth gear right now. You can go to third if you want. Roll in. Get it slowed first. Downshift. Gradual release. Alright, run with me here. Accelerate to the blue. You can go to fourth gear there. Smooth over to the right. Roll in. As soon as you know you're going to get feedback. Quick. Downshift. Start scanning to the right. Good. Nice. On one, accelerate. Much better. Firm by the brake cone. Gradual release. Feel it out. Let it tighten, then accelerate. So delay throttle a little bit longer. Stay on the brake longer through there too. Firm on the approach. Gradual left. Smooth back right. Let it coast through. On one, accelerate. Back in power. Gentle brake. Second gear. Let the corner scrub the speed. Wide arc. Good. Roll it in. That's 1.5, third gear. Watch the turning cone. You turned a bit early before it. It's Tim and Bob. Just breathe, relax, gentlemen. I see you both. Drive your own drive. No sense in out pushing or anything. Perfect your own driving line, okay? Good feeling for those are smooth hands. You can go up to fourth gear. Good. Back on throttle. Firm in four. Start looking between your turn in and apex. Third gear. Good. It's stuck. That was good. I can see that car was battling though. Stay on the brake a little bit longer through there. Power up. On the approach. Gentle back left. Good. Run with me here. Light. Second. Ease. See how much tighter in radius you are? Wide brakes. Smooth back left. Alright. We're just slowing our pace here. We're going to gather up here on the right hand side for a moment.